of buying this car. This of is preposition, so without second thought, just select the gerund form of verb. Question 9. She refused to accept this gift. So the word refuse is followed by infinitive verb form. Mary regrets being the one to have to tell him. Being the one to have to tell him. So this is going to be regret followed by a gerund form of verb. 7. George pretended to be sick yesterday, so pretends followed by infinitive verb form. Question 12. Carlos hoped to finish his thesis this year. So the word hope is followed by the infinitive verb form to finish. Question 13. They agreed to leave early. So agree is followed by infinitive verb form. Question 14. Helen was anxious to tell her family about her promotion. So the word anxious is followed by infinitive verb form. Question 15. We are not ready to stop this research at this time. So the ready is followed by infinitive verb form. Now comes question 16. Henry should not risk driving so fast. The word risk is followed by gerund verb form. Question 17. He demands to know what's going on. So the word demand is followed by infinitive verb form. Now comes question 18, which is she's looking forward to returning to her country. So the word looking forward to is preposition. So just after preposition we know it's a straight gerund verb form. Question 19. There is no excuse for leaving the room in this condition. So the for is a preposition. So whatever comes after preposition is nothing but a gerund verb form, which is leaving.